Hey guys, it is the weekend here in West Virginia, and I hope you guys are having some good luck hunting diecast out there. I hope you're having better luck than me. I haven't had too bad of a weekend, but I haven't found any chase stuff, and where there was chase stuff, I arrived at the party too late. I've got some nice regular stuff. Actually, what I'm going to show you guys today are 3 new Chevy trucks that are really sweet. One of them I'm actually keeping for this diorama over here. It'll look good sitting over here. Yesterday, when I went to Walmart, they had the brand new dioramas out, and I know this is probably the most popular one in the set. They have a chase version of this, which is very hard to tell if you're not watching closely. The interior, I believe, is gold, and the base is gold, but you can't hardly see the base. But looking through the front wheel well, you could see it. And the wheels are fully gold. So very subtle, but it looks really cool. So good luck. Hope you guys can find the chase one. Although finding the regular one is not too bad either. These bad boys are trending and going for more than a lot of M2 chase stuff. So finding a regular is pretty good. Yesterday when I seen this is there's 4 different ones in this case, I believe. There's this Chevy truck, a C30 Chevy truck that's a little banged up and rusty looking from like working on the farm. We're going to look at that one here in a moment. And a 70 Challenger and I think a 57 Chrysler. That is it for the 4 per case. I think that's how it worked. The first set that I got a hold of, they had only 3 vehicles in each case, 3 different sets. So anyways, I didn't have enough cash on me to get the 3 that I wanted. I actually forgot my bank card. I forgot my whole wallet at home, actually. I just keep extra 20 bucks in my car, just in case I need something or run out of money, something happens. But anyways, that was my emergency money, and I figured this was an emergency, not to leave this guy behind. So I snagged this up and a few other cars, and I hid the Challenger set, and my luck, I cannot find it. I think I'm looking in the right area where I hid it. Probably somebody else found it, or maybe one of these stockers found it, and they'll restock it again and get it back in the toy area maybe this weekend sometime. I've been to Walmart twice today, so no luck seeing it yet. Hopefully maybe tomorrow I'll be able to find it. But anyways, this thing is the probably most trending 1/64th M2 piece at the moment. They're getting ready to launch the Squarebody Syndicate 124 truck with a regular chase and a super chase, and it's coming up in raw super chase. I think that's the first 124th raw super chase they've done for a Squarebody. So that's going to be a big money truck, and it should be popping up here within the next couple of weeks. People should probably be finding them in the stores. But yeah, good luck, guys. Hope you guys can find this set. This set's going to one of my buddies that lives in Ohio. And anyways, yeah, it is cool. If I still collected just trucks and Chevy trucks, I would have never let this go. This thing is pretty rad looking. So anyways, I'll show you the card art. I think that's like a computer art print of the truck, and that's actually a real photo of like a car show somewhere. And then on the backside, same thing, with warnings and stuff like that for choking hazard and your copyrights and all that other stuff. So that's the first one. Now we'll keep on with the diorama trend. And this guy I'm going to break open here and put in my diorama. It is a really cool looking truck. It has some rust and patina on it. I just wish they wouldn't have cleared over the rust on the hood. But maybe I can doll it up with a Scotch-Brite or something. It is a very cool truck. Has a load of large beams on the back of it, I think it is. Maybe it's supposed to be hay. Yeah, maybe hay bales. Maybe. I'm not sure what it's supposed to represent. But anyways, because it's on a farm, maybe it is the hay. So anyways, I'm just happy to have this one to put in my diorama here. Looks pretty cool. And got another guy to put in the diorama. But I don't know if you guys have noticed, I'll do a comparison video here in the next month or so on the diorama figures. Some of M2's guys are huge, especially the guys in the cowboy hats. Like the guys I have here, they tower over all of my American diorama guys, my green light guys. The green light guys I think are a little bit underscaled, especially if you take the big platform that they're mounted to off. I think they are a little bit small. These I think are a little bit big, but the ones that came with like the Shelby's, or not the Shelby set, but the Camaro, I think, yeah, it was a Camaro set. Those are actually pretty nice. I got them in my Mr. Norm's diorama. They fit in pretty good, but these cowboy ones from the Squarebody set and Carroll Shelby from the Shelby set, if you have them around other guys, they look like NBA players. They're huge. So anyways, guys, yeah, this is a cool set. Came in the same case as Pinky, the GTA truck there. So this one I'm happy to have. We'll be cracking it open and putting it in the diorama soon enough. I haven't had a chance to cut it open. This one I did just pick up today. I did leave it behind too. I didn't even hide it, but I didn't think there would be a big demand on this one. So I was right. This was still there, and the Chrysler or Dodge, whatever it is, with the, I think it's a gas station display or something. That one is still there too. But yeah, pretty cool set. And last but not least is a new Squarebody. And this is based on a 73 Chevy Cheyenne Super 10 Custom. Cool truck. And I don't know, I'm just not much for all of this Coca-Cola livery. If it's possible, when I get my Dodge trucks, I take it off. But something overdone like this, I wouldn't even bother. I got a couple of them like that I just leave it on the truck, and they look okay. But it gets old after a while when you get like 10 or 20 trucks that have Coca-Cola and Sprite on it. But some people dig this stuff. I'm just not one of them. This thing did come in a chase version. There's 9,250 regular and 750 chase variants of this truck. And it's packaged pretty much similar to the Coca-Cola Japan release Squarebody that came out, I think it was back in the spring. I actually found the chase for that one and sold it. But anyways, yeah, this guy's not too bad. I got a couple of these. If anybody needs them, I'll let you have them for 12 bucks a pop. So message me on IG, same name, Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. So that's it for our Chevy Truck Day, guys. Just wanted to show you to all of them before I sell some of them and crack a couple of them open. Or the one open anyways. So anyways, enjoy your weekend. I got more videos coming up over the weekend, so be sure to stay tuned in, and happy hunting.